Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel IELTS Winner. We are here to help you endure in your IELTS exam. Today the task in hand is the practice question for cue card. So we are going to see one cue card each day for our practice. So today day 1, cue card 1. I will be giving you a question and some ideas along with some vocabulary to use while you are preparing for your cue cards. This will be a very good practicing method for you to get knowledge on the most used and the most common topics of IELTS. Let's see the cue card for today. So here is the question. Describe how to use a piece of equipment. You should say. Okay, so describe how to use a piece of equipment. It can be anything, your gadgets, your appliances, or any electrical equipment or any equipment that you use, even a bicycle. So you need to say any one of them. Here are the bullet points. How often you use it, what you use it for, what you can do to be able to use it for a long time, and explain how to use it, its software, programs, and so on. So how you will use it, how you came to know how to use them or in your day-to-day life. So this is the cue card. When you get your 1 minute preparation time, you can use this planning method or these ideas on how to plan. Beside each of the bullet points, you can write this type of keywords to look at and speak and elaborate for 2 minutes while you are speaking. So how often you use it? Every day. And describe the equipment. I am saying here mobile phone. You can say your laptop, your iPad, your washing machine, your cycle, or any equipment or gadget. What you use it for? You can say whatever you do with that. I am saying that I use it for dictionary, making PDFs, watching movies. You can say anything for what you use. If you're saying washing machine, you can say to dry off clothes, to wash clothes, and so on. What can you do to be able to use it for a long time? So how you can safeguard it, how you should use it so that it comes for a very long time. So you can say all the methods, all the precautions that you take to keep this thing working. I'm saying I will recharge it, I will update software regularly, and so on. So according to your equipment, you have to say how you protect it. And the last one is how you use it. So I'm saying that after reading the instructions, I came to know how to use the different types of apps present in my mobile phones. Handle gently without caring. So according to this is the way you should plan your cue cards. Here are some vocabularies that you can use while you are preparing for this equipment. Here I have used mobile phones, so accordingly I have used this. If you are using laptop or your iPad, even for them you can use all these words. So use these vocabulary and ideas for planning, and then prepare for 1 minute on the cue card and speak for 2 minutes, and then record yourself and see. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon to keep updated yourself with all the latest practice questions, and the tips and tricks that we provide you to help you get band 9 just like I did, not once but twice. So do follow my channel to get band 9 overall for all the modules in IELTS like me. And if you want to have paid courses, do contact us on our social media platforms.